Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial in my channel. We are given the functions f that takes x and maps to 2x plus 3, and the function g that takes x and maps to mx minus 2. We are asked to find f of negative 5 all over 2, and then we are asked to find the value of m, for which f g of x is equal to g f of x. Let's start with the first one. We have f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Therefore, f of negative 5 all over 2, we are going to put negative 5 all over 2 in the place of x in that expression. So we're going to have 2 into negative 5 all over 2 plus 3. These 2 cancels out with that 2. We're left with negative 5 plus 3. And negative 5 plus 3 gives us negative 2. Therefore, the function value at negative 5 all on 2 is negative 2. Now here, we are asked to find the value of m when f g of x is equal to g f of x. Now f of x again is 2x plus 3. G of x is mx minus 2. So the first thing we look for fg of x. Fg of x will be f implementing g of x. We are going to take the instructions of f and put them in g of x. All right. So that will be, the instructions of f are multiply by 2 and add 3. So we are going to put g here. This will be equal to 2 multiplied to the g of x plus 3. We know g of x. This will be 2 g of x is mx minus 2 plus 3. Multiply that out, we have 2mx, 2 times mx, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and then this plus 3 here has nothing to do with that multiplication. So negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So that gives us 2mx minus 1. Okay? That is fg of x is equal to 2mx minus 1. Now what about gf of x? That is g implementing f of x. We're going to take the instructions of g and we implement f of x. The instructions of g are multiply by m and subtract 2. So we're going to put f of x in the place of x. So we're going to have m times f of x minus 2. That gives us m times f of x minus 2. That gives m into f of x is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 minus 2. This gives us 2mx, when we open this bracket, plus 3m minus 2. Therefore, gf of x is 2mx plus 3m minus 2. Now, we are asked to solve the equation fg of x is equal to gf of x. Okay, fg of x is 2mx minus 1. So we write 2mx minus 1 is equal to gf of x is equal to gf of x is 2mx plus 3m minus 2. So we have this is equal to this. Now we have 2mx on both sides, so they can cancel out themselves. So 2mx minus 2mx is gone. We're left with negative 1 is equal to 3m minus 2. Now we take this negative 2 to the left. It becomes positive 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 3m. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 1 is equal to 3m. To have m, we divide both sides by 3. Therefore, you can see 3 cancels. Therefore, the value of m is 1/3.